This is not a regular bread recipe. This is one of the coziest bread recipe ever that was made without an oven or a mixer. Hello my champions, welcome back to my channel. In a bowl, go in with warm milk. I used powdered milk and warm water. Not too hot and not too cold. Then I added my instant dry yeast. I added sugar. Stir until everything is properly combined. Cover for 8 to 10 minutes. Allow the yeast to proof. 10 minutes later, this is how your yeast should look like. When it's like this, you know that your instant dry yeast is still very much active. You can then go in with your flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, but you can use bread flour. Go in with salt. Stir everything together. I'm using margarine, but you can use butter or vegetable oil, whichever that is available to you at the moment. I'll transfer the dough into a work surface. Knead for at least 15 minutes until your dough is smooth and stretchy. To know if your dough is well kneaded, cut a little bit of it and stretch it. If it doesn't tear and you can see through it just like this, then you will know the dough is well kneaded. Or you touch it just like this and it bounces back. In a bowl, add a little bit of oil. Oil the bowl. Then transfer your kneaded dough into the bowl. Cover and keep in a warm place to rise for 1 hour until it doubles in size. 1 hour later, the dough has doubled in size. Punch to remove the air. I'll flour the work surface. And I'll cut the dough into 4 equal sizes. I will roll them into a ball shape.
This is Monix Kitchen and lifestyle, a rhythm slow, a soul's release.
I will transfer the dough into my greased pan. I used margarine and flour to grease the pan, the baking pan. Cover and allow that to rise for another 1 hour. I will be baking this bread in a pot. I'll start preheating my pot. 1 hour later, as you can see, it has doubled in size. I'll brush it with melted butter. I'm using melted butter, but you can use egg wash. This will help the bread to come out to brown and beautiful. Yes, we are using pot to bake this bread. So my pot is already heated up. I just have to transfer the bread into the pot. Cover and allowed that to bake for 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, voila! This is what we have. Looking so beautiful. I'll brush it with more melted butter. This helps it not to get dry. And check this out. This is what we have. Isn't this looking beautiful and yummy? This bread was very soft, super fluffy, and tasted so delicious. It came out so perfectly, you won't even know that it was baked in a pot, and it tasted just like bread and cake at the same time. Tell me what you think about this bread. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next one.